that it's so dark is that I really want to be able to show off some of the lighting features of this particular mirror. So please bear with me, I hope it gets better. And then going forward, I'd like to use the lighting on this mirror to shoot my videos. So without further ado, let's talk about it. So the thing that's really cool about this mirror is that it has Bluetooth capability. You can use it to take your selfies or your videos. It has 3 different intensities of magnification, and then it also has different lighting settings as well. So this came in an even bigger box from Lime Life. I bought it on sale Black Friday and got a pretty good discount off of it, I think about $40. I will post all of the comments up, the cost up so you can see it. But I want to say it normally retails for like $169 and I think I paid $129. So it's still pretty expensive, but as you can see, this is my wonderful bathroom lighting. Or there's this option, which as you can see, makes my face all kinds of whited out. So we're gonna stick with this for now. So you can play with the new lighting. So I'm really excited to do my makeup in it so I get a more accurate reflection of what it looks like. And then obviously I'll start shooting my videos using it going forward. So without further ado, like I said, it came in a bigger box. This is what it's in now. So a good little picture on the back, it's got their logo. And then I know that this mirror comes in a lot of different sizes. There's a smaller version that kind of goes on your phone. There's an even smaller version than this. It's pretty similar, I think, to maybe like an iHome mirror. But, so just another plain white box, nothing exciting there. So we're gonna take the lid off. So in it we have this little note from Glamcore. It's a heart note. It says, cheers to your flawless face, love from us all at Glamcore, #Riki Skinny. So if you have your own, let me know what you think about it. This is obviously gonna be backwards. When I get a better camera, I will be able to flip that around and it won't look backwards, but for now, that's what we've got. And then you can enter to win a brand new cutie, which is like the little mini one that I talked about. So that's great if you're on the go, if you're a traveler. So if you would like to use the #Riki Skinny, if you get your own, you could enter to win a little bitty one. The next thing is that there's this giant book that fills up the whole side of the box. That's kind of like a how-to, how to set it up. So this tells you what all the different options are, the Bluetooth options. It's got something that you can stick your phone to so you can take your selfies with the really great lighting. This is predominantly why I bought it. I don't take selfies, but I knew I wanted to use it for videos. And then there's a magnification attachment that you can put on there so you get even better magnification. And then again, there's even more buttons on the bottom. Tells you the battery life that's left on it, and this is where you would do your up and down adjustments on the brightness. So now to the big reveal. This is what it looks like. It's sitting in its own plastic holder. So it is pretty well cushioned, and like I said, it came in a bigger box, so I think that the Riki company did a really good job of making sure it wasn't gonna get damaged in transit, so that was nice. So now we're gonna take it out. It's a little bit heavy, but it's honestly lighter than I thought it would be. I think my arm could hold it up just fine while I'm getting my makeup done. But the good thing about this is that it does come with a stand. I'll show you what the inside of this plastic looks like. So this is the stand that I was talking about, and then the magnification mirror that you can insert to it. This is where you're gonna put your phone for it to hold it. These do expand, so if you're like me and you have a giant phone after you put the case on it, it should still hit your phone. The only thing I don't particularly care for about this is that it makes that awful screeching sound while you're expanding it. But oh well, I guess. It does have a really nice, I don't know if you could tell, plastic piece on it that would protect your phone, so it's not just like hard plastic scraping across your phone. And then the other thing it comes with is the little charger box here. Let's open that up. It's a pretty good sized charger. It does have 2 USB ports for it, and then it's got the, looks like the head maybe moves out or down. Actually, I haven't figured out what this does. If I do figure it out, I'll put it in the comments, but I don't know if you could tell. It looks like it should move, detach, but it doesn't. So if you know, feel free to also tell me in the comments what this does. And of course, it's got a little plastic cover on it as well, so nothing gets damaged and everything looks beautiful and pretty. It looks like the back of these are just like the little sticky circles that you normally use, so that makes me a little bit concerned that you use one or the other, the magnification or the phone holder. So I think that's kind of not ideal. I was hoping it would be like a magnet or something, because I really don't want to leave like a sticky residue all over it. If that's wrong, I'll let you know. Oh, that's cool. You can turn it up or down depending on how you want your phone to be. So, but I hope not. I hope it's not just these little like sticky circles. That's not ideal. This is also pretty light, and you can tell it's got the grips on the bottom, so it's not likely to slide around. So I will take a picture of this all assembled and put it in at the end of this video, but I wanted to go ahead and open this box with you so you knew if you were interested in buying it, if you're someone who follows a Lime Life salesperson on Facebook, or if you're interested in getting your own lighted mirror for your own purposes, you'd know what you were getting into before you spent the kind of money. If somebody has like an iPhone or iHome mirror like this, let me know what you think and whether or not it's better. This, one more thing before I go, does have like the pull offs. Everything's nice and pretty. Yeah, that is really shiny. That's wonderful. And then it's got it all the way across the back. So we'll go ahead and unwrap that. I think this is the best part of opening any box, is taking all the plastic stuff off of it. It's my favorite thing. Like if somebody opens a gift for me, or you know, I get something new and they're like, here, let me help you. I thought it'd be cool and take that off. I'm like, no, please don't. It's my favorite part. Maybe that's just me. I don't know, friends. You tell me in the comments below. There it is in all its glory. You could see my very dirty countertop. I just shoved a whole bunch of stuff out of the way so I could put this here. Please don't judge me. Someday, if YouTube works out, we'll get an actual place to do this, but there's really not a good place in my house to do it. I have 4 dogs and 2 cats. That makes things difficult. So now let's see what we can do. It looks like it's on now. Oh, that is bright, friends. That is bright. And then we're gonna go up. That's 3. So that's the brightest it's gonna go. And then down and down again. So if you want to see what that looks like over here. Okay, so we're gonna go up 1 and then up again. Yeah, there we go, pretty washed out. So that's probably not the setting that I would use for my videos. I could tell you that I could see every pore on my face and all of my awful breakouts. So that's a little horrifying. But again, I'm sure I'll really appreciate that when I'm doing my makeup. And then if I had my phone synced, like I said, I could go ahead and take any of my selfies or start my videos using this. So I think that's pretty cool. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will link this product down below if you'd like to purchase your own. Thank you again for watching this long if you have, and I hope you look forward to future videos. Thank you.